Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Forza Horizon 5 can't connect to server or keeps disconnecting issue on your PC and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. The first solution is all about you have to check whether the Forza Horizon is going through any kind of server issues, right? So if it is going through any kind of server issues, you'll be able to get to know why this is happening, and also you can check out on the Twitter account. So most probably, you'll be able to know the entire details on Forza Horizon. It's actually Forza support will be getting to know this, or you can ask them where this, or you can tweet and keep on asking where people can share the information. So this is the first one. So that is what you have to do. And moving on to the next solution is all about you have to make sure that you're having a good internet connection. I knew that most probably you'll be having the Wi-Fi. So if it is on the Wi-Fi, make sure the Wi-Fi works good and it's having the good internet connection, or it's not having any kind of issues. This is what you have to do. And next is all about if you're done with the Wi-Fi, you just have to, I suggest you guys is you just have to turn off the Wi-Fi for a short period of seconds, and you have to reconnect it back, and you have to see whether you are able to fix the issue up or not. And sometimes it can get fixed up. You have to try out in that way also. And the next one is all about make sure that you're having the any kind of updates are there on the Steam for the Forza Horizon. Like as you can see, I was having the game, I just uninstalled it, and right now I'm playing Farming Simulator 2022. So now as you can see on the MIR4, we are having the update queued. So we are having the update. So in the same way, the update will be available for Forza Horizon. So when the update is available, just go for the update, and most probably after updating, try to play the game. The issue will be completely fixed. And this is what you have to do. And moving on to the next solution is all about you have to power cycle your router. That is what you have to do. So if you ask me the question how to power cycle, it's all about power off the Wi-Fi router, unplug the power cable from the router, and you just have to wait for next 30 to 15 seconds, and you just have to reconnect it back, and you have to see whether you are fixed up with the issue or not. And this you have to try out, and this is what you have to do. The next is all about you have to repair the game files, as you said earlier in many videos. Sometimes by doing this will be fixed. As you can see, I'm really sorry that I don't have the game here because I installed very recently. But if you're having the game over here, I'll be showing with Farming Simulator. So when you're having the game Forza Horizon, you just have to right click on the game. Here I'm going to demonstrate you with Farming Simulator so you can understand that better. So you just have to right click and you just have to go to properties. Now from here just have to go to local files, and there is an option called verify integrity of game files. You just have to go for this. So what happens is if any kind of files are missing, so bugs are there, this will be going to fix the issue up, and you have to try to play the game. That is what you have to do. Moving on to the next solution is all about, and the last and the least one is all about you have to flush DNS on your Windows. So I'll be keeping this. So to do this, you just have to go over here in the start, and you just have to type cmd, and you just have to run it as administrator. Go for yes. Once it is done, you just have to give the command which is called ipconfig. You just have to put space /flush DNS, and you have to press enter. So as you can see, this is successfully done. This is what you have to do. So moving on to the last and the least one is all about you have to try with a restart on a PC, and close the game purposefully, quit the game, and try to restart your PC and see. And sometimes that's gonna fix the issue up. So these are the basic steps which you have to try out when you're having an issue with Forza Horizon. You can't connect to the disconnecting the servers issue. And also I'll be providing a link in the description where you can read the same article on our website Get Shower Tips, and also you can refer our website for many more articles like Android, games, iPhones and iPads, social media, Windows, etc. So that's all about it, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.